All know the occasion for what we are sitting here? I can't hear you. Once again. Can I know the reason? The Environment Day came into existence in the year 1973 by the United Nations Environment Program.
My dear leaders, we are happy today that we are going to celebrate Environment Day. Today is the Environment Day. So now,
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಮಾನವರಾದ ನಾವು ಪರಿಸರದ ಅನುಕೂಲವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಜೀವಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪರಿಸರ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನು ಊಹಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ.
Principal sir, teachers, non-teaching staff and my dear friends, I am Amulya of class 10. Today we are gathered to celebrate